Will I be able to spend 1 lakh rupees trying crazy Ramadan food here in the streets of Jama Masjid, Delhi?
And when it comes to Ramadan nights, Delhi just hits different.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
After iftar, the whole city wakes up.
There's a lot of chaos happening right now.
Streets gets louder.
It's like, welcome. Hey, yeah, what?
Crowd starts pouring in.
Looks like we are lost, guys.
And the food scenes goes into full power.
Damn!
Everywhere you look, something crazy is being cooked.
These are flying jamun.
And tonight, I'm out here exploring it all.
Mohabbate ka sharbat, tal.
Going through these streets,
We have been walking from last 2 hours.
finding the best spots and trying some of the most talked about Ramadan dishes in Delhi.
बोलिए ना थोड़ा रेसिपी बोलिए मेरे को भी बनाना है घर पे. Okay, right now we are at Qureshi Kebab Corner, bro. They said this is one of the best places where you can get crazy kebabs, bro. Let's see what we got over here. The main man is here. मैं इधर आ सकता हूँ? Oh, damn. So right now we are here with our brother
Mohammad Arshad Qureshi.
Mohammad Arshad Qureshi. आपका है दुकान? Yeah, Qureshi brother in the house, bro. The main man here. So we're gonna try the crazy mutton sheikh kebab, bro, over here. Sir. Oh, yeah. Sir has told me to start working. No playing games. Just do your thing. I thought I'll try the kebab, but looks like I need to work, bro. I need to be serious. I think I broke it. Thoda slow, man. Like I'm trying, sir. I'm trying. I'm sorry.
Good job.
Yeah. Sir said good job, so I'm a little happy. I thought it was over. Oh. Damn! This is crazy, bro. We're doing our little best to keep our customers happy. This is not an easy job. This is for real men, bro. You need to come here and try the crazy Qureshi sheikh kebab. Oh, sir is telling me to remove it. Ow. Sorry, sir. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. Give me some chance. Give me an opportunity to do it. Can I try?
It's ready. Yes.
Let's go. Bismillah. Bro, this is mad. So soft, juicy, and so told like all this in masala. This is for real.
These kebabs are made with the fresh minced mutton grilled slowly over charcoal, giving them the best smoky flavor. But what it really makes it special is the masala. And the recipe has passed on through the generations in the same family. That's what it gives the most authentic traditional taste that you can't find anywhere else.
So the real question is, how much does it cost? So the one plate is costing us 260 rupees, bro. Yes, this is the amount we have right now. Let's go to the next location. So we are here to try the gulab jamun from the best from Rahmatullah Hotel, bro. Let's see. They said this is one of the best places.
60 years old, 66 साल हमारी दुकान को हो गए हैं. 1960 से हमारी शॉप है.
Let's
This is
go.
a flying jamun.
Flying jamun?
Yes.
What's flying jamun, bro? Oh, yeah. That's a crazy flying jamun, bro. After I saw this, my tongue is slipping. Let's try. Bismillah. This slaps left and right, bro. It's sweet, it's juicy. So one gulab jamun will cost you 30 rupees. So now we're gonna deduct from our main amount. That's the amount we have right now. We need to finish this money, bro. Let's go. We are here at the next shop. That is Haji Muhammad Hussain. They said they got the best crispy chicken. Let's see if that is true or false. See how it goes. Yeah. कितने बार फ्राई होगा ये?
ये 2 बार फ्राई होता है. एक बार हाफ डन होता है, दूसरी बार फुल डन.
Oh.
फिर मसाला लाके उसको सर्व किया जाता है. चिकन ऐसा बुड्ढा खाता है, जवानी आता है.
Oh.
ताकत वाला चिकन है, बॉडी बनाता है ये चिकन.
Body वाला chicken है.
हाँ.
So this chicken is not a normal chicken, bro. If you want to build your muscles, if you want to build your body, come here, bro. It's time to give the taste test. It's time to give the honest review, bro. They said this is the best chicken place here in town. Spicy. Masala is blended so well. I feel like eating again. Damn, bro. It's not a normal chicken. I can say this spicy crispy chicken, bro. It is spicy. I think this masala is spicy. I don't know.
कैसा लगा आपको?
एक number. The spicy perfect है.
परफेक्ट है.
Perfect spice है. The chicken is very soft, tender. Who cooks 3 times, bro? Yeah, they cook 3 times.
इससे बढ़िया टेस्ट पूरे जामा मस्जिद छोड़ो पूरी दिल्ली में नहीं है.
Oh, damn. Sir, इसका कितना प्राइस है?
जो फुल चिकन 540 रुपये. 540.
Full chicken 540 and half.
270.
So the cost of half chicken is 270. So now we're gonna deduct from our main amount, bro. That's the amount we have right now. Long way to go. Let's go to the next store after I finish this. I think we need to try some dessert, bro. We need some dessert. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I'm here.
I'm alhamdulillah.
Hello, ma.
Yeah.
So, kalila dessert to rala ba?
Nocha Lichikachi and just on a marketing no spices and no. पर तरफ स्वीट बना छोरा पर तरफ स्वीट बना कैमरा रख संग में छोड़ छोड़ जल्दी से
Who's that?
अच्छा and गोश्त के लिए अच्छा मान ये सामान
अब ये मैं आता हूँ. So we are here to try the fruit juice ice cream.
आइसक्रीम रोलर आइसक्रीम बोली जाती है और फ्रूट आइसक्रीम.
Fruit ice cream. This is called crazy fruit ice cream. One crazy plate. That's the process of making this crazy dish, bro. Food is here, ready to go inside my tummy. I'm not even lying. I'm not even joking, bro. This is mad stuff. I think the combination of all the fruit doesn't hit bad, bro. Sir, try करो. Try तो करना ही है. Try तो करना ही है. एक spoon, please.
Okay, nice, very nice.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
आ जाओ.
Okay, now the time for the amount, bro. So we just paid $100. Voila, that's the amount we have right now. Let's move to the next shop. We are here, bro, to try the blueberry cheesecake. No doubt that you come here every day.
Yeah.
I will come here every day.
So the price for this is $80, bro. Now it's time.
Hold first. Delhi.
Delhi, honk first and then talk. So the price for again. Wow. So the price for this is 80 rupees. Now it's time to deduct. That's the amount we have right now. The best part of this place is that we don't have to walk a lot, guys. Like, it's next to each other. Assalamu alaikum, sir. That's why the guy was like, welcome back. Yeah. What? Yeah. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Easy. What do you say? Chai. Damn, it's time to try the chai, though. The best chai. Tea. Famous chai. Let's go, bro.
भाई को चाय बहुत पसंद थी नौकी भाई ने चाय पी ली भाई तारीफ चाय की मीठा कम है
मीठा थोड़ा कम है.
बोलो
थोड़ा कम है, but अच्छा है.
आपको कुर्ता उधार चाहिए मुझे एक
यस, दे देंगे. मैंने ही उधार से ले लिया है.
बोलो अपने मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शारिम है एसएम फाउंडेशन से सिकंदराबाद. मैं हेल्पिंग वीडियो बनाता हूँ और जो है 40 से ज़्यादा विधवा औरतों को हम जो राशन पहुँचाते हैं और शादी करवाते हैं इस
Guys, do check out, do subscribe, do follow them, bro. They are doing amazing work for the society, for the people. So the chai was amazing. We loved it. It gave some peace of mind to continue our process and our journey, bro. So the each chai is costing $10. So we almost took like 6. That's the amount we have right now. Let's go for the next store, bro. Already exhausted, bro. We reached to the next location. That is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Kashmiri Nawaz. No, Kashmiri was one. Was one. My brother is here. आपका नाम sir?
दिलशाद कुरैशी.
दिलशाद कुरैशी. आपका शॉप है?
दिस वे.
ये आपका शॉप है और ये
बराबर में हमारे पड़ोसी हैं.
पड़ोसी है. Neighborhood love. सही है. सर इधर आपका हाईएस्ट सेलिंग क्या है? I wanna try कश्मीरी.
कश्मीरी में आपको वाजवान के अंदर आपको गुश्ताबा है, रिश्ता
गुस्ताबा. ये यूनिक है.
जो हाँ थोड़ा मीट जो होता है ना, मीट को सॉफ्टनेस बनाने के लिए उसको कूटते हैं. उसके अंदर थोड़ा और अच्छा टेस्ट हो जाता है.
Oh, we're gonna try the crazy Kashmiri dish that's called gustaba. Yeah, looks crazy. Our gusta is ready to go inside my tummy, bro.
स्पून दे दो स्पून
Cutting. We are trying gusta with our brother Alam. Let's see how does it taste. Guys, the food is actually good. It has soup and it has a meat. They said they smash this meat and make it. I'm not gonna lie. It's really good. Jokes aside, guys. Jokes aside. So try the rishta, try the gusta. It's amazing, it's lovely, it's beautiful. So this dish is costing us 120. So now we have this amount with us right now, bro. I'm already full. Let's go. We're not gonna stop. After trying a lot of spicy food, it's time to dehydrate ourselves, bro. We are here at Wallah Habibi Sharbat-e Mohabbat. We are here with our brother. आपका नाम से?
Anzar Ahmad, Ansar Alam.
Bro, these guys look crazy, bro. No doubt, hands down. So we're gonna try Mohabbat-e Sharbat. Oh!
Technology.
What the hell? So we're gonna try Mohabbat-e Sharbat with our brothers. Let's give the taste. First we're gonna take a bite. The watermelon is crispy, bro. I don't know how. It's time to drink the juice. Let's see how it tastes. There's a lot of mohabbat in this sharbat. A lot of love in this sharbat. I got the big sip with my brother. Oh, it's time for me to go in, bro. Bismillah. I'm good at this, guys. Mohabbat ka sharbat. Tal, habibi. Mohabbat ka sharbat. No, brother is here just for the entertainment. So right now we gonna deduct 60 rupees from our total amount, and that's the amount we have. Yes, that amount we have right now. We need to spend a lot, bro. Sir, तौफीक बिरयानी किधर है?
ये चौक छोड़ के अगली चौक में तौफीक बिरयानी वाला।
आपने ट्राई किया है पहले?
हमने बहुत खाया, वहाँ पे खाते रहते हैं।
एक नंबर। We gonna try बिरयानी। आप मेरे साथ बिरयानी ट्राई करोगे? So I'm gonna take these three kids, make them eat biryani, and ask for the honest review, bro. Damn, I don't know the place, guys, but these kids are taking me. Looks little shady, but I trust these kids. और कितना दूर है भैया? ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप तो आपके घर ले जा रहे हो मेरे को।
नहीं
आपके
क्या करेंगे आप?
किडनी विडनी बेच के। We have been walking from last 2 hours, bro. These kids are still making me walk, bro. I hope I don't get kidnapped, guys. पूछ तो लेते हैं ना किसी से. The real good is here. That's not the real good. क्या जी करीम मटन हलीम. सर जी तौफीक बिरयानी कहाँ पे मिलेगी?
बिरयानी नीचे उतरते ही राइट है।
अच्छा, आप भी उधर ही जा रहे हो ना? ठीक है, चलो आपके साथ चलते हैं। Finally, after traveling for 200 years, bro, we are here at the Tawfiq Biryani to try their best biryani. One chicken biryani. Half chicken biryani, bro. We are here with the main man. Sir, ये बिरयानी कैसे बनाते हैं सर? How?
हाथों से बनाता है सर।
हाथ? Yeah, the most classical answer ever, bro. They will not reveal their recipe. तो बोलिए ना, थोड़ा रेसिपी बोलिए, मेरे को भी बनाना है घर पे।
सर हमारे तरह अगर आपको खानी हो तो हमारे पास ही आना पड़ेगा, आपको भी देना। आप नहीं बना सकते। नहीं खिलाते, हम जो है प्यार देते हैं लोगों को। हम तो मोहब्बत बांटते हैं हम लोगों को।
So they are saying like there's a lot of love involved in this food. You cannot make it at home. If you wanna have, you need to come over here, bro. So we got our chicken biryani. I'm trying with my brother. आपका नाम क्या है? आमिर खान. आमिर खान. आमिर खान? Laila. आमिर खान in the house.
रात के 12 बज रहे हैं इस टाइम पे बिरयानी खाना।
बिरयानी तो बनता है भाई. Let's see how does it taste.
Very good.
Very good. You like it?
I did first time.
First time? Yes. First time. First time. We both are first time. Bismillah. Let's take one more bite with the chicken. Let's not get distracted, guys. What the hell? There's a lot of chaos happening right now, but we need to stay focused, concentrate on our food, bro. Hey, na bhai. I don't know what they have added, like ghee, curd, everything, but the biryani makes it very soft, bro. There's no doubt why this is like the best biryani over here. Like it's something different, bro. Not like a normal South Indian biryani. This is like a proper Delhi biryani, bro. Now we're gonna ask what's the price. We ordered 500 grams, so that is 150 bucks. This is 150 rupees of biryani. Now we're gonna minus from our total amount. That's the amount we have. Lot more to cover, lot more to do stuff. Guys, I don't think I can make it, bro. The biryani was so good that it slapped me so hard, not on my face, on my stomach, bro. I'm full right now and I don't think I can continue this anymore, bro.
But honestly, I'm not even mad that we could not finish the 1 lakh rupees challenge, because today I realized something. We came here thinking 1 lakh rupees is lot of money for food, but the food over here is so affordable, so real that even after eating so much, we still could not reach it. And that's the beauty of Ramadan streets like this. It's not about the expensive food, it's about the people, the flavors and the vibe. Every stall we tried today, like the crispy chicken, the spicy roll, the desserts and especially the biryani, that just knocked me out. Everything was made with so much of love. My stomach might be full, but my heart is even more full right now. So if you are here in Delhi during Ramadan, come here, bring your friends, bring your family and just experience this place.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you guys loved the video. I hope you guys loved the chaos. I hope you guys loved overall journey of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, peace out.